All right, welcome back, everybody. My dad and I just finished the framing with a furring strip for our solar panels. So, we can get the fancy aluminum, extruded aluminum struts and all that fancy stuff. We just use 2x4s. And this is how they're going to be, well, this is how it's going to look. We have two rails supporting each set of panels. So we're going to have panels go like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. And yeah, some more solar stuff that's not solar. All right, more to come. Bye bye.